our recent school inspection in September 2015, the full report has now been published and is available for you to read on our school website. However, I wanted to just spend a few minutes talking to you about the key points raised from the report. Our overall Ofsted rating requires improvement. In the report, as well as identifying those areas for us to work on to improve our school, it also talks about our many strengths, and I would urge you to take a look at the report to see what those are. Since our last inspection in 2012, Ofsted have raised the bar to be a good school, and whilst the inspector recognised the many improvements that have taken place in the school since then, the bar has been raised and our results are not consistently where we want them and where we need them to be a good school. Therefore, one of our key areas for improvement is to ensure the consistency of good teaching and good results right across the school. One thing that I am really proud of is the recognition of the success that we have had for our disadvantaged pupils. What we want to do now is to ensure that success for every pupil in the school. We are very proud to have been rated good for personal development, behaviour and welfare. The inspector undertook a significant number of observations in classrooms and at break and lunch times, had conversations with many of our children and talked to some parents. She also reviewed survey data before drawing her conclusions. The report talks about how our children are enthusiastic about their learning and that they behave well both inside and outside of the classroom.
I wanted to talk to you about the leadership and management element of the Ofsted inspection. We received a good rating for this element and we're really pleased with that. We have a really strong team in school with Mrs Kennedy leading maths, Miss Venditti as senior teacher and leading literacy, and Mrs Reid as head teacher. We also have a really committed set of governors. Most importantly, we have a plan for improvement. As a governing body, we will be scrutinising and holding the school to account in order to ensure that we really deliver.
So there are the key points that have been raised from our Ofsted reports and inspection. I do hope you found this short video both useful and interesting. As you heard earlier, we have got a school improvement plan that addresses all of these issues and we have already started to implement it to bring about improvements. We know that with this in place we will soon return our rating to good. But most importantly, we will improve outcomes for each and every one of our children at Brington School.